Good afternoon, dear students. So let's go for the revision. First question is here: solve the pair of linear equations. Solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method. So here, first equation we have 3x plus 4y is equal to 7 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Right? So we have two equations here and we can choose any one. Like here, if we are taking the value of 2x in this equation, so we have here x twice of x is equal to 5 minus 3y and x is equal to 5 minus 3y divided by 2 here, right? So we have here Sahil Preet, very good afternoon dear, and Sugandha Mishra, very good afternoon. So here this value of x we have substituted. This is in the first equation. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, right? So what we'll do, we'll substitute this equation x here, that is 3 into 5 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 4y is equal to 7, right? So here both equations, they are now in terms of y, right? So we have here 3 5s are 15. If we are taking LCM as 2, right? So here we have 15 minus 9y plus 8y is equal to, so 2 into 7, that is 14, right? This implies that 2 into 7, that is 14, and 15, here it is 15 minus of y, right? So what is y? Y is equal to 15 minus 14, so y is 1. What is the value of y? The value of y is equal to 1. So we have here Vaishnavi, Rana, so x, Sugandha Mishra, very right. X we can find x is also 5 minus 3y, y is 1 divided by 2 here. So here 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. So the value of x, that is also 1. So very right. So by substitution method, we have found the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Sahil Preet also very right. Okay. So let's take some questions from your surface area and volume, right? Here figure is given two concentric circles with the center O. Two concentric circles are there, right? With center O. And radii 21 and 42. Okay, O is angle is 60 degree here, right? So here portion is A, B, C, D. C and this point is D here. So we have to find, right, radius R 21 centimeter and 42 centimeter circles, concentric circle, 42 centimeter, and angle AOB is angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Find the shaded area. Find the shaded area. Shaded area is here. Find the shaded area. Find the shaded area. So we know how to find the area of the sector also, right? So how to find the shaded area here? Harshvardhan, very good afternoon dear. So here this shaded area, from the shaded area first what we will do, we will find the area of the ring, and out of area of the ring we will subtract the area ABCD, right? Area of ring formula we know, that is pi r2 minus r2 whole square minus r1 whole square, right? This is the area of the ring. From area of the ring we will subtract this area ABCD. So we have the area of the sector. Two sectors are there, that is bigger sector minus smaller sector, that is area ABCD, right? So first we will find the area ABCD. Okay, so area ABCD is equal to area ABCD is equal to area of, so theta upon 360, 60 upon 360 is common, right? Theta pi r square, that is also common, pi r square. So here the r, that is what, r 42 square, 42 square minus 21 square, right? So this area we will subtract, that is 1 by 6, right? 1 by 6 pi into 22 upon, so shaded area here, the shaded area, this area is your pi by 6 into 42 whole square minus 21 whole square, right? And the shaded area is equal to pi r2 square, that is 42 square minus 21 square minus of this area of the shaded, that is pi minus pi by 6 into 42 whole square minus 21 whole square, right? So this is the shaded area here. So we can take common, pi into 42 whole square minus 21 whole square, right, into 1 minus 1 by 6. Okay, so here what we'll do, so we have here Samir from 10C also, so Mehakpreet Kaur from, good afternoon dear. So here we have pi, you can put the value of pi as 22 upon 7, and here we can write 42 whole square, 42 whole square, 42, 2 2s are 4, 8, 8 and 16, so we have 4, 16, 7, 1764, 1764 minus 441, right? Into here it is multiplied by 5 by 6, right? This 5 by 6. So when we subtract, so this is the shaded area. So here that is 22 upon 7 into 6 multiply by 3 here. So it is 2 here and again 3, right? Into 5 by 6. So 5 here. So we will solve it, okay? And this is the shaded area in terms of centimeter square, okay? So we can if you want to calculate, we can solve here. This is with 3, uh, 3 2s are 6, it is 11, so it is 21. We can we have here calculation, that is 11 into 1323 into 5 upon, that is 21, right? So you can solve it and you will find the shaded area, right? So let's take one more question. Find the HCF of by Eclipse division. So here question is two cubes each of volume, two cubes, two cubes each of volume, each of volume 8 centimeters cube are joined end to end, then what is the then what is the surface area of surface area of resulting fluid, of resulting cuboid, okay? So here we have Manisha Arora also, sorry, Nandini from 10A. So we have here two cuboids, right? You know the cuboids, right? So two cuboids are there, each of volume 8 centimeter cube, right? So it is centimeter cube, it means the sides are 2 centimeter, 2 by 2, all the edges they are 2 centimeter. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 centimeter cube. Now join end to end. If they are joined end to end, what is the surface area of the resulting cuboid? So resulting cuboid, the surface area we know is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, right? So here when we insert one more cube together, right? Here, so length it will be 4. So this surface area, that is 2 into length is 4, right? And breadth, that is means 2 plus BH, that is 2 into 2, right? So here LB, BH and LH, that is 4 into 2. So here we have, that is 2 into 8 plus 4 plus 8, right? So here 20 into this 40 centimeter square is the answer, right? When two cubes they are joined end to end, then the length will become 4, breadth will become 2 only, and height is 2 only. So we will find the surface area by using 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, right? So next question, the it is about the probability, or you can type convert the following, take the question from your statistics, convert the following data into the more than type distribution, right? Convert convert the data into more than type distribution, right? More than type distribution. Okay, here class is given and frequency is given. Class and frequency, right? So here we have 55 to, so 50 to 55, right? Then we have 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, right? And the frequencies 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, and 16. So here convert the following data into more than type, more than type distribution, more than type distribution, more than type distribution, right? More than type distributions. So here we can write first the class intervals, okay? The class intervals, and here we can move with the frequency. It is given here, that is 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, and 75 to 80, right? And frequency here, that is what? 2, 8, 12, 4, 38 upon 60, right? So here we can find first what is CF, cumulative. So in case of cumulative frequency start with the 2, right? 8, 10, and 12, that is 20, and 46 plus 38, that is 84, 100, right? Total here, total frequency, that is sum of Fi, that is 100, right? Now we want to write the data more than type, right? So we know when we are writing the data here more than type distribution, we will take the left hand side, you can see these intervals, right? That is more than 50, right? So here we will write this more than type distribution, more than 50, more than 55, more than 60, more than 65, more than 70, and last is more than 75, right? So more than 50, all the total intervals, all 100, all frequency we are taking 100, right? Then next we are taking more than 55, more than 55, 100 minus 2, that is 98, right? Next is more than 16. So more than 16, what we will do? We will subtract from 8, that is 90 here, right? So next, more than 65, so here it is 78, and more than 70, more than 70 we have, that is minus 24 also, or 100 minus 40, that is 54, and more than 75, right? More than, see here, that is 100, 98, 90, 78, and after 78 we have 78 minus 24, that is 54, right? And now that is 54 minus 38, right? 40 minus 86, 4 minus 60, so it is 16 here. So it is right one. We can check here this value and this value remain the same. So this is your generally 2 marks question, more than type distribution. Okay, more than type distribution, what we are doing, right? And if we have to write less distribution, less than type distribution, we will write less than 55, that is 2, right? If we have to write the less than type distribution here, so we will start here with less than, that is your right hand side will take 55, that is your 2, less than 60, that is your 10, less than 65, that is 22, less than 70, that is 46, less than 75, that is 84, and less than 80, that is all 100, right? So this is, it is your cumulative work points 2, 10, 22, 46, 84, and 10. This is less than type distribution. So less than type distribution is very simple one. More than type is little confusing, but you can check in both ways. You can do this, right? So this is about the more than type distribution. Okay, so we can take one more questions based on your probability, right? Probability. Here, the probability of selecting a blue marble at random from the jar contained only blue, black, and green marbles 1/5, and the probability of selecting the black marble at random from the same jar is 1/4. If the jar contains 11 green marbles, find the number of marbles in the jar. Right? So you can take this kind of questions also, right? So write down one question from AP. Question is, Question is, how many terms of AP? How many terms of AP? How many terms of an AP? 9, 17, 25, so on, must be taken to give a sum, must be taken to give a sum of 636. How many terms of AP must be taken to get a sum of 336? So here we have the first term. First term is 9. Common difference, that is second term minus first term, that is D is 8 here, 17 minus 9 is, right? And Sn is what? Sn is given, that is 636, right? So what is Sn? Sn we know, sum of n terms, that is n by 2 into twice of 2a plus n minus 1 into b, right? So when we start here, so this is equal to n by 2 into 2a. 2a is 18, 9 into 2, that is 18, plus n minus 1, b is 8, right? 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18 plus n minus 1 into 8. Okay, so here this cross multiply here, what we'll get? We'll get here 6 2s are 12. Here it is 18n. If we open the bracket, here it will become 8n minus 8, right? 8n minus 8. So here it is 18n square, right? And here when we subtract here, it will become 8 here, minus 8, so minus 8 will become 10 here, right? So we have 10n, that is what? 10n plus 8n square. So here we have a quadratic equation in this form, which is 8n square plus 10n minus of 1272 is equal to 0. Right, this is a quadratic equations. We can write on this in this form also, that is 4n square plus 10n, 10 its half is 5 minus 632 is equal to 0. Right, so here from we will find this is the quadratic equation, right? And in this quadratic equation we will find the value of n, and for positive value of n we are interested here, so we can apply the formula here. That is, the value of n is equal to b square. B square is 25, right? Minus of, or it is minus of b plus minus of b plus minus b square minus 4ac. So b square is 25 minus 4ac. 416, right? So that is 636 into 16. So 6 6 are 36, 3, 18, 21, 2, and 38, right? So it is 6, 3, 6. So it is 6, 3, 7, 11, and right? So here minus minus will become plus, right? So here we can solve this quadratic equation and we can find the value of n. Okay, so positive value of n we have to find, right? So by so this is about this question. Next one. Next question is about a board goes. This is based. A board goes. This is based on your linear equation into variables. A boat goes 30 km upstream. So this is also not in the part of. Prove that the tangent drawn. Prove that. Prove that the tangents drawn at the end of the diameter of a circle are parallel, right? Prove that the tangents drawn at the end of the diameter. If we have a circle, right? Right? So if diameter is there, right? Diameter is a line segment which passes through the center of the circle, right? Now here, if the tangents drawn at the end, tangents drawn tangents drawn at the end of the diameter. So we know the property of the tangents, right? Right? So here, if this line is line L and this line is M, one tangent is L and one tangent is M. Now what happened? We know the property that this angle is always 90. Right? The angle subtended by the line segment or the radius on at point of contact. At this point is A and this point is B. So A and B are point of contact. Okay. So we can same way here at point B also the angle is 90 degree. So these line L and M, line L and line M, they are mutually perpendicular to each other. They are mutually perpendicular to each other, right? Why? Because angle that this point is P, this point is Q here, angle PAO is equal to 90 degree and angle QBO is equal to QBO is also 90 degree, right? Now, if here in this case both angles they are co-initial angle, or you can say these are co-interior angles. So both angles are co-interior angles, right? So here if both angles are 90 degree, then the lines are parallel to each other. So this thing we want to prove. Sum if the corresponding angles is, it is not about corresponding angle, co-interior angles. Please note it down. That is co-interior angle, allied angles. We are saying this angle as co-interior angle or allied angles, allied angles or co-initial angles, sorry, co-interior angles, co-interior angles on the same side of transversal. These angles are the angles on the same side of the transversal, right? So if angle is co-interior angle, so right, that is their sum is 90 degree. Okay, so this is all about today's class, right? Or we can take one, two more questions. If they are talking about one data is there, find the mode. Okay, one intervals are given. You have to find mode here. Okay, the class interval is given, CI is given, and frequency that is given here. So here it is 30, 25 to 30, 25 here, and 30 to 35, 34, 35 to 40, 50 here, 40 to 45, 42 here, and 45 to 50, 38 here, frequency, and the last one 50 to 55, 14, right? So here you have to find the mode. Okay, you have to find the mode here. So for mode, we can choose the highest frequency that is 50 here, right? So we can write, if you want comfortable here, you can write the data in the vertical this form also, right? That is 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, and 50 to 55, right? Frequency that is 25, 34, 50, 42, 38, and so here this is the median class. What is the median class? This one is the median highest, the class with the highest frequency, that is 50. This is the median class. So mode here is equal to, so to find the mode we have L, lower limit of the model class, plus N1. So here we can substitute the value, lower limit of the middle class. Then we have the difference, the intervals, there are 5. So here F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 into F2 into H. H is the class size. So here this is F1, this is F2, and this is F1, and this is F F0, F0, and substituting the value here, lower limit, that is 35 here, plus F1, that is 50 minus 34 divided by twice of F2, that is 100, minus of 34 minus of 42 into H, that is 5, right? So here we will solve this separately, that is 35 plus, so when we solve it, it becomes 16 upon divided by 100 minus here, that is 76, so 100 minus 76 is 24, right, into 5. So here 8 2s are 8 3s are. So here answer is 35 plus 5 2s are 10 upon 3, right? So in section if you want is 3.33 bar, 33 bar. So answer is 38.333. This is the mean of the, right? What's the mean? Mean is 38.333. Okay. So this is all about today's class, right? So thank you very much. God bless you all. Stay safe and stay healthy.